Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to continue our HTML5 series by talking about the HTML5 Shiv. So what is the HTML5 Shiv? Well, it's really just some JavaScript that adds the HTML5 elements to earlier versions of Internet Explorer. And this is helpful because if you're developing a site and you want it to work on IE8 or IE7 or anything, and you want to be doing it in HTML5, because you should have been, and if you aren't starting all your sites in HTML5 right now, you should start your very next site in HTML5 because that's just what you should be using. But if you need to support those browsers, which a lot of people do, then you're going to need this HTML5 Shiv. So go ahead to code.google.com/p/HTML5 Shiv and go ahead and grab it. A lot of people call it a Shiv or a shim. In fact, people in our department have even had this conversation, but there's even a note about that down here. It says, is it a shim or a shiv? It says it doesn't matter. So you can call it what you'd like, although this page says shiv, so I'm going to call it a shiv in the video. So we're going to click download here, and all we're going to need to do is add this code to our site. And it's just a one-liner of JavaScript. You can even grab it from here. So we're just going to throw this in our JavaScript folder, and since this is just a one-pager, I can just throw this file right in here. And this also includes a README with some information if you'd like to check it out. You can also get the code unminified from them if you want to see exactly what's going on, which is always really helpful with these utilities. But you can see it adds legacy support for Internet Explorer 6 through 9, Safari 4 and up, iPhone 3 and up, Firefox 3 and up. Basically, it's adding these elements that the browser doesn't have. And not only is it adding the elements, but it also adds their default CSS styling. So it gets correct if like a section should be a block level item. It's going to get that. So like it says, all you need to do is add this. And we have our code here. And what you want to do is you want to add it into your header. They actually say to add it after CSS for the sake of performance. And so we're just going to paste it in here, make it look all nice. And then we're going to say this is in the JS folder. And before we're done, we're also going to throw this HTML5 print shiv in here too. And if we save this, that's it. We have our HTML5 site. Is now the elements should be recognized in older browsers, and we can get on with coding our website and not have to worry about the browser not recognizing these elements. As always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the video or hit us up on Twitter at Level Up Tuts. As always, we really appreciate you watching, and like I said, we do this stuff in our own free time, and we hope to keep pushing out videos as fast as we can, but keep the high quality up and give you exactly what you want. So as always, thanks for watching. This is Scott, and have a good one. Bye.